We got checked into Royal Pacific Resort and we got a Jurassic Park suite, and it is amazing. And this is the kids' room behind me here. There's another room on the other side of me that is the adult room. Let's take a look.
Where will we go today?
As you walk into this room, you can see there's a king size bed, which is amazing, and it's absolutely beautiful. There's even a couch in the room also, so it's a suite already before the next surprising part. The windows, let's check out our view. We had a beautiful view of the pool. I love these lamps, they're so cute. And then the artwork, of course, is the fire throwers, just to continue that theming of the South Pacific. The bathroom has a sink outside of the toilet and shower area, which is nice. And then inside there is just a shower, but it's a really nice shower, and there's a ledge, which is very nice, especially if you're a lady. So the room itself is just absolutely beautiful. And then there is a desk with plenty of plugs. One thing I loved about this room was there were plugs everywhere. We were not in any shortage of plugging our things in. We even brought a power strip and we didn't have to use it. Oh wait, what's that? Dino food only? Do not feed the dinos humans food. What is behind this door? That's pretty awesome. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Look at this amazing kids room. And I'm telling you, it is amazing. It has been, our kids have been so comfortable. They've loved it so much. I don't even really think pictures do it justice of how awesome this room is, because it is amazing. Not only is the theming really fun, but just the space. I mean, we felt so comfortable here that the kids had their own room and that we had our own room, and we didn't feel crammed into a hotel room. We felt like we were at home. It was just amazing. So there's a little bit of a desk here, and then there's their own closet, which is nice, especially if you're here for a long time. And then there's cute TV stand here, which the drawers are so fun. And they have their own TV. And then the window is like a dinosaur, which is awesome. So this room is really amazing. Thank you for taking a tour of Loews Royal Pacific Resort with me. Loews Royal Pacific Resort is so beautiful. It's a beautiful ode to the South Pacific. It's relaxing, it's comforting, the staff is wonderful, and we have just had the absolute perfect stay. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you real soon.